Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona iyaqhubeka imbhikisho yabafundi bezikole ezihlukahlukene zalapha endaweni yaseThembisa. Laba abafundi ke bangene emgaqweni kulolu suku lwanamhlanje. Bakhala ngokuthi ke bafuna ubulungiswa ngemuva kokwedlula emhlabeni komunye ke wabafundi owabulawa watholakala ke isidumbu sakhe silahleke emhosheni phakathi ke kwendawo yaseSiziba lapha ngakondulwini ubheke emkhathini ngolwesihlanu izinsuku ezingama-24. Igama lakhe ke lo mfundi uLithabo Maruga ubefunda ke ugrade 12 esikoleni samabanga aphakeme ingqayizivele khona lapha ke eThembisa. Isimo ke singesihle neze sokubulawa kwakhe njengalokho ke sazi ukuthi ubekiwe ke endaweni ke yakubo eLimpopo kulempela sonto esibiya kuyona. Abafundi ke bathi ke amaphoyisa ahudula inyawo kulolu daba bacela ke ukubona ubulungiswa ke benzeka. Ngikhuluma nawe nje laba abafundi baze bathi ke abafune ngisho nokuya ke esikoleni kuze kube ukuthi ke bayabona kube nabanye ke ababoshwayo kuleli cala. Besikhona ke eRabasuthu police station khona lapha eThembisa ake sibone ke obekwenzeka.
Justice for Lethabo. I really no open answer. There's no open answer. Justice right back like you sort of create. Suya kutelambi. Hello. Ngicela ukunitshela ke. Yabona lamaphoyisa. Nyabahlonipha mina. Amanga basitshela amanga shem. Basitshela kabi. Ayithonto basitshela yona. Justice for Lethabo, justice. Family members walabafana laba. One of umaphoyisa uzoya kalabafana laba. Abatshela ukuthi they were there and abafuna ijustice. And thina we know ukuthi amaphoyisa idocket lolahleka. Idocket bazalibela baya back and forth. Omdala abantu uyolala angakatholi iqiniso. Maphoyisa sazi ukuthi bayan bribe amaphoyisa and nani yabuza ukuthi ban bribe. So have a process every single time nothing happens. There's no action. We all know who system of South Africa, it is rotten, it is broken. So what's the guarantee we will leave? What's the guarantee what's the guarantee? No so why? Because I did what is right. This police know nothing. And all that. But then Rahubala guys, I'm so frustrated, angry actually. I don't wanna lie. I love this profession, but the way they're doing things, I'm slowly losing interest. We demand what is right, and if they don't do what is right, we're gonna do it ourselves. The communities are winning. Community are winning. They don't understand. I wish there was such a community everywhere. I wish there was such comrades and people everywhere where we.
Sanibonani. Angithi ngiyangibona ngingena esikoleni sakaLithabo. Yes, nami ngiyambona I'm in the same pain as you are guys, ane. Yes, amaphoyisa they are also mothers and fathers angithi. Yes, nabo bazoshonela abantwana babo njengoba uLithabo ashone ngakhona angithi. Yes, so mina ngiexpect ukuthi bas understandeni. Ma comrades ophoyisa amaphoyisa. Bengicela ukuthi ne understand then abantwana laba bazela la police station ukuthi bazele ini, and then we'll also get your response. Sizothula nathi sinilalele. You understand? Sizothula nani sinilalele as you are guys. Nisephenini as we are. We are in the same situation sonke. Angithi yes, abantwana laba basenga justice yakaLithabo. Basenga justice yakaLithabo and bafuna ama answers akaLithabo. Nang understand? Bafuna ama answers akaLithabo. And you guys nibatshela ukuthi niba
ukuthi sifunani. One thing esifunayo sifuna amavulela aphume ephakini. Kokuqala sikwazi ukudlula kahle masibuye endlini because bakhona ephakini. Basitshela ukuthi sihambe sesikoleni mara the very same people sifunda nabo. Kanjani umuntu azokubulalela ischool bag sakho seNike? Zwang. Mababambe bazokubulalela iPhone yakho. Kanjani? Khona manje exact khona manje the very same people bakhona khona la batoyitoya nathi mara bafuna amagama kithi. Kanjani? Justice for Lethabo, justice. Justice for Lethabo, justice. We're not stopping until kunoyi-1 wamavulelo lapha emaseyilini.
I qualify the answer. The station commander is in his comfort zone. The station commander akasetswa address because nako ya tsamaya o di utse go officing yae. Akasetswa to le address. You understand? My man. I'm here because the station commander arch. I get this issue ya the gangsterism. When all baba ngo more ba tseba. And asima vulela liwa. Ba ona ba bang ke le bono nam. I get we must also fight that. Letaba maphodisa protect amavulela le ona must end. I get so we all need answers. Yeah. We all need answers. Tabe ya hore mavulela le ko kae ba tsamaya ba go bukamoso ba go boitumelong ba ile ba thabana ba sekolo must end. Ayer all of this must end. So gore that this whole thing e fele go gore maphodisa go fela go no participate a bereka le rena go fela. Wa so mamela nna be go gopela hore the station commander must come out at your address go fela rena. He must come out of his comfort zone. I thought if I the answers. Again. So give it to Kopela Ofel. I remember go ground. Station commander will come out.
And then ke khona o tlhalosa hore ho etsalang. Ne? Ukuthi ngwazi ukusho ukuthi kwenzakalani. Bantwana bam I angazi ongikhuluma isishangana. Are you sure that you are not hearing me? Those that are here, they can hear me. Those that are there, they can't hear me. All right. As I've indicated before, Hore case is still under investigation. And then, Mamela, we cannot go randomly or arrest abatho re sa tsebe hore ke bo mang. Akere? And then akebatu husani, and then we just arrest someone, and then have it go court, and then bamu release. One tall. So we have to make sure Hore we gather all the evidence that points to that particular individual or individuals that have committed this crime. Again, because if you say ubatla ansara no justice, yes, justice and the will of justice are in process, because my two investigators they are running with that docket currently as we are sitting here. One, yeah. So. Rekasi Rachel Hore, re arreste Ruto Urbar no ki Sipo, re arreste Sipo Asiena, ki Paul, and then one tall. So we need to have something it's hang, and then Rehono arresta Mutu all involved who this crime. As I'm standing here, I'm a father also. And I wouldn't love that my child can experience that kind of things. And Lina Kitabata justice, as Lina Libata justice. But as Lirifile memorandum, Kekopaure Limfenak. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Nako. All right. Ke kopa hore le mfe 7 days, ne? Yeah. But what we are going to do, all right, from individual high school, ne, you are going to choose the people that will come on Monday next week, and then kitoba for feedback, ne. All right. Hello. Hello. Kupa Rutwane. And I wouldn't encourage Horeleskaya Skolo. Continue with your studies. Continue with your studies. And then Monday next week. And then those leaders, ba liba choose it thing. Ne? Ba liba choose it thing. And then batata ko police station. And then kibeli meeting libona. And then bona batlanka feedback, and then by kise holona. Kosa Siliona, it's also invited in that meeting because agerke organization yaluna the students. Hello. Hello. Arutwane. All right. Ritolifa feedback, hore investigation is a majwang, whether renally arrest or juang. But also, we will also encourage that if you have any information in this regard, write something on the paper. Don't write your name. You write Kismang Mang Wakokai and anonymous. Hey, yes, we agree. We agree. We agree. Yeah, anonymous letter so that you can lead us into the right direction. Akere hore lona tshwantsele investigate. My investigators will run with that information that you provide. All right? Okay? All right. And then we also have My Subs Act app where you can report anonymously. All right, you can download it, My SAPS, My SAPS, and then you give information anonymously, and then it will come straight to my office, where I will also redirect my investigating officers, or they look into that information that has been provided. All right. All right. Are we together? All right. Okay, okay. They're asking what about school? All right. You are asking what about school? Go to school.
We understand the frustrations that you are having, honestly. Ne? That's one. The second one that we are asking from you. Ratsiba hore le batlo matcha, ho batlo re le deliver memorandum and those things. But are bueng ntwe one and are thusaneng, ne? You can't match elo hore o ba le bana ba ile hore ba ba arrested in the system. You can't match bana ba bang ba le mala ba robala dipetlele. You can't match ho ba le di accidents tse di thula ke dikoloi hentse le match. So we are pleading with you, Shebang. We are pleading with you. Rekopa hore mamelang, rekopa rutwaneng, ne? You are saying you want to go back to school when? All right, sharp. Listen. We are going to communicate, ne? Lady principal at alone, all right? It's fine. Okay, it's fine. The MEC of Education is coming. Listen, MEC of Education is coming, as indicated on somewhere. Ne? So the MEC is coming. It's fine. You vandalized. Not. It's fine. Not all of you. But Arutlwaneng. From tomorrow, ne? From tomorrow. You'd rather not go to school than too much. Kopalinneng hae up until listen. Amandla awethu. We are saying, listen. The meeting would be on Wednesday. I get. So on Wednesday, Tuesday, the meeting is tomorrow. On Wednesday, Tuesday, Mfanelo will report back. Ne? Wednesday, it's fine. I can't not too much. But let's promise one another. From Thursday morning, all of us are in class. From Thursday morning, all of us are in class.
My name is Comrade John Manganye, the Provincial Executive Member of South African Student Congress. I believe, I almost said comrade, I'm always with you most of the time. But I believe, Mfanelo, we are here because of the issue that has transpired, more especially in one of the schools in Tembisa, in Isvela Secondary School, whereby we had a matriculant who unfortunately lost her life through the issue of we wouldn't know if it's gangsterism or what. But there is also a high issue or a high risk issue of gangsterism in Tembisa schools. So we are pleading with parents, we are pleading with community members, we are pleading with all stakeholders, including the police, to ensure that they assist us in ensuring that our schools are safe again, to ensure that our schools are schools whereby we go to learn and not to learn gangsterisms or not to learn any some sort of issues. I would tell you for free today, with my experience being a COSAS leader, I know the frustrations that they are under. And all I can say is, yes, we are here, we demand justice. And also let's encourage our students, or let's encourage abantwana bethu ukuthi kusasa babuyele ezikolweni. More we said that tomorrow there is not going to be a school day, because of we are going to allow them a day so that we have engagement with stakeholders. But Wednesday, definitely, we are pleading with every parent to ensure ukuthi umntwana wakhe osesikolweni, and so that mabafike ezikolweni abo principal, they will be responsible. We ensure that there is no shutdown, there is no disturbance, because kunabantwana ukuthi bayalimala during these things. There are many issues. So I think it's that let's encourage our stakeholders to assist us. Let's encourage parents to come and assist us so that we bring back the Tembisa that we know.
It looks like as much as Gungasi, it's a popular comment to say let there no be school, but it looks like abantwana yonanta abayifunayo.
No, the kids want 7 days, honestly speaking. But if we are going to allow, or if we are going to give them that 7 days, then it means that there's going to be a negativity. So hence we are saying tomorrow, because of they want too much, let's let it down. They want justice. Tomorrow there would be a meeting. I think they had stated it. Amapoyisa ukuthi kusasa bazobiza meeting nama principal and stakeholders so that we have a way forward. Hence we are saying tomorrow they might stay. They might not. They must stay at home. That's the best advice we can give, because nabase ikolweni bazofika ama hooligan babakhiphe to achieve what they want to achieve, because you can see now ukuthi kuba nama vandalization, abantu bayaluthelwa, which is not the purpose of this march, or the purpose of what was supposed to happen. What was here, or what they wanted, they only wanted that they get justice for Oluthabe and deliver a memorandum to the police station, which I think they had done it, and Amapoyisa are responding but in 7 days. So tomorrow they must not come to schools. Wednesday, definitely they must report to schools. The 7 days my pal will ensure that the police are held accountable, and then by deliver into Tembisa. Thank you.
Ezindabeni zeThembisa online, ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaDzanibe. Ithombe imsindo kanjalo ke nalezi ke indiza phezulu siqopheke ngokubambisana ubanele uBrazo Sondlo, uSihle Ngwini, kanjalo ke naye ke uKape the drone pilot. Umbiko siuqophe lapha ke estation samaphoyisa eThembisa eRabasuthi eQaqa section.